Hey YouTube, so today I was playing Black Ops, well, still am, but while I was playing it, I got on YouTube, and I looked up strange noises in the sky, because I just heard a noise. My heart is pounding so hard, like, I really don't know what it is. My dogs are barking outside. It just scared the living crap out of me. I don't know if I open the door. Hopefully you can hear it because it's still going on. I'm scared to even get off of the couch. And all the videos that I've seen of almost all the videos I've seen, snow was there. And where I am, there's snow here too. Right down there. But, yeah, I'm going to open the door and let you hear this. Oh, crap. No, I don't got to read it. Oh, my freaking Kirsten! Kirsten! Come here! Kirsten, there's noises coming from the sky. Listen. Shh. Listen. Can you hear it? It's like it's a ringing noise, and it's like big and huge. I heard.